Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add video pack only to background in CapCut special for PC. So first you can select the videos or photos that you want to edit and then select effect and select effect that you like. For example, I'm going to select the negative nightclub and you can see. So I want to apply the effect just for background. So how to, you can select the clips, which is the clip and the effect. Right click and select create component clip. Put the same video as an overlay, put on top and go to cutout. Select auto cutout or remove the background automatically. So after done, you can see for the final result like this. You can see the effect only applies to the background. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.